ऐसे और वीडियोस के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। 3, 2, 1, start. From all these aspects, the railway minister deserves congratulation from this side. Now the honorable member who spoke from the opposite side wanted to confuse the whole issue by digging up the figures of just after Independence Days and the first 5-year plan. The real comparison should be made between the two comparable figures. We cannot compare the first 5-year plan figures with this and then say that from these figures we come to the conclusion that nothing has been done. If we go through the graphs which can be prepared from the figures submitted to us apart from the period where non-Congress government was in power, namely Janta government, all these important figures are rising. Only at the time of 87 to 90 there is a drop in the graph. If we take graph of total originating loading million tons, the net to net kilometer per ton per day, net kilometer of freight traffic and railways restrained contributing to railways plan. In all these cases we find that when the non-Congress government was in all power, God save the country, we would not have made any progress. We had to rise from zero from 1990 and then bring it to this position. That must be appreciated. Instead of appreciating that, they find out by comparing very old figures that these are defective and these are misleading. After saying all this, I would like to comment on performance in one or two matters. As far as the track renewal is concerned, I would submit to the railway minister that there is scope for further progress and renewal target though raised from 3800 kilometers to 4200 kilometers in the 7th plan. The average is 5000 kilometers. We should try to achieve that target which has been laid down in the 7th 5-year plan. I would also like to point out that when we see these regions, different figures of 5 regions, we always find out that out of 9 regions, 4 regions are continuously in a loss. As far as the Eastern Railway is concerned, it is continuously in loss. Northeast Frontier Railway is continuously in loss and Southern Railway is continuously in loss. It is my submission that some drastic steps will have to be taken. Either there is revenue leakage or ticketless travel. I hope by next year the railway will take better care as far as these regions are concerned and some improvements will be shown.